Mari bergabung dengan Master Marine 1 juta video dunia maritim untuk mengenal dunia maritim. Jangan lupa subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis. Share dan like.
Lesson 11, the present simple I do. So you've learned one basic tense before, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is to talk about something that is happening now. But now we're moving on to the second tense, which is present simple. When do we use present simple? We use it to talk about a regular thing, or things that happens habitually, or also to talk about permanent actions. To help you understand, you can see the picture on the screen. This is present tense, something that you do regularly or permanent action. What is the example? I go to work at 7 a.m. in the morning. That means that I always go to work at 7 a.m. in the morning. It's a regular thing. It's a permanent action. And also, she cooks breakfast for her family every day. That's also a regular thing, or things that happens habitually or are permanent action. And do you still remember how many subjects are there in English? Yes, 7. There are 7 subjects in English. I, we, you, they, he, she, it. For I, we, you, they, you don't have to add s or es at the back of the verb. Like the example, I go to work at 7 in the morning. I go, you go, they go, we go. But for he, she, it, you have to add s or es at the back. For example, she cooks, he cooks, it sleeps. Now look at the table on your screen to help you understand better about adding the word s and es at the back of the verb for present tense. In the third person, he, she, it form, the verb takes an s. For example, I, we, you, they do, have, work, read, like, eat, drinks. He, she, it, do becomes does, have become has, work become works, read becomes reads, like becomes likes, eat becomes eats, and drink becomes drinks. Now I'm going to show you the things that Mr. Bean does every day, so you can see his regular activity using present tense. The first activity, every Monday, Mr. Bean wakes up at 6 a.m. He gets up at 6:15 a.m. and goes to the bathroom. He usually has a shower and he has a shave and brushes his teeth. He eats breakfast at about 7. After breakfast, he reads the newspaper. At 7:30 a.m., he goes to work. Because the subject is he for Mr. Bean, so don't forget to add s or es at the back of the verb. I'm going to give you a spelling tip how to differentiate whether you have to add the letter s or you have to add the letter es. Look at the spelling tip. Words ending in s, esh, and sh. For example, toss becomes tosses, crash becomes crashes, and scratch becomes scratches. So you add es. Words ending in y becomes ies. For example, worry becomes worries, cry becomes cry. Also, do becomes does, and go becomes goes. Now tell me about your daily activity from morning until you fall asleep at night, just like what Mr. Bean does on his regular activity.